My mother is a teacher at a disadvantaged school in Somerset East, and when I go home, I go along with her on these trips to the township where she would visit the children that attend her classes. And as soon as I step into one of these small houses, I get blown back by the smell of paraffin, of gas stoves, and the smell of fire. And what makes it worse is that there's no ventilation in these houses. There's probably just a door and a window, and so there's no way that these fumes of paraffin and gas stoves can escape from this small room. I identified that the bad air, the unclean air and the unsanitary air in these people's houses is a problem. But I also identified that unclean water in South Africa, not only in South Africa but in the world, is a big problem. So I thought, how am I going to combine these two big problems? Why do I call it big problems? Because they are concerned with human health. This is a section through the tire. This is the inside of the house and this is the outside of the house. And this is a wall that separates the inside from the outside. The eco tire is attached to the exterior side of the wall. The mesh panel on the exterior side of the eco tire holds the plants in place, and the PVC panel on the interior of the eco tire holds the soil in place so that the soil doesn't fall out. So what happens is the dirty air flows through these plants, the plants absorb the dirty air and the air continues and the roots purify the air, and so the air travels through and it finally gets to where the fan is, and the fan could blow the clean air straight away into the interior of the house. I am using a computer fan because it is low on cost, it is low on voltage and it lasts a very long time. The fan is powered by a 9-volt rechargeable battery. The 3-watt solar panel is used to recharge the 9-volt rechargeable battery. These materials are easy to maintain and they are also cost effective. This is why they are ideal for people in shack-type environments or informal settlements. The plant I'll be using is grass. Why grass? Because grass is nature's air conditioner, because it cools the environment and it reduces the carbon in the surrounding air. Grass also purifies air and it purifies water. It also reduces greenhouse gases. A further advantage of the eco tire is a water filter. As you can see in this cross section, here is the outline of the tire. Over here you can see is a PVC pipe which could be connected to the gutter of a house if the house has a gutter. It can also be connected to tap water. The dirty water would flow through the levels of soil. As you can see, it's gravel, sand, charcoal, another layer of sand, coarse sand, and then gravel. As the water gets to this point, it will be filtered through a fine mesh panel to prevent soil particles from entering the clean filtered water tank. The eco tire has already been designed and is ready to be rolled out on a massive scale, but it depends on funding as to how quick this product can get into the manufacturing process, so that people can start putting the eco tire on the side of their walls so that they can start living a healthier life.